Hey kids! Thank you for joining Mr Oopy! We are going to be unwrapping presents today! Let's see what we've got! This has just come straight to my door from the postman. So I thought I'd just open it up. Let's have a look. It's exciting! Wow! Oh, do you like popping bubbles? It's a PJ Masks backpack! This is awesome! Let's open up and see what's inside. Oh, it looks like a PJ Masks hat. Great! Check that out. Oh, and then you can release the strap depending the size of your head. There we are, and then just place it on top like that. Great! Great hat. Let's see what else is inside. Oh, a bottle, our drinking bottle. It has our, oh, flip lid, open, well, close, open, close, open. Great, look at that. Pour some water. And who's on the front? We've got Gecko, Catboy, and Owlette. There are more things. Great, PJ Masks toothbrush. Awesome. Do you brush your teeth? Yep. Done. Oh, there are more things in the bag. Oh, wow. Masks. This one is of Owlette, Catboy, and Gecko. What I think you do is you just place a hole through there. Each one has a string, so you would place it through the hole. There's another hole on this side. There we are, see the two holes? Great. Place the string through, and on the other side, tie a knot, and there is your Gecko mask. Ta-da! Hi, I'm Gecko. Great, and then you've got 3 of them. Let's put that to the side. Oh, there are more things. Oh, it's a ball. Great. Have you got a pump at home? If you've got a pump, then you can pump up the ball. Okay, I won't do that now, but it's a ball. More things. Wow, can't believe how many things there are. Oh, look, there's an activity set as well. You've got crayons, stickers, and pictures that you can colour in. That's awesome. And we have some stamps. Sticker and stamp set. I won't open that one either, but that looks fantastic. So there are the stickers and stamps. Great. And we've got our backpack for when we go to school. Oh, there's the other one. There's mine. And off I go to school. Well, so we've got our backpack, stamps and stickers, we've got our ball, masks, we've got a toothbrush, hat, PJ Masks water bottle. Did I miss anything out? I said hat, great, stickers, pencils, and pictures to colour in. So many things, great. So until next time, it's bye for now from Mr Oopy.